What does it feel like to unleash the blinding brilliance of next-level LED rock lights onto your truck? Prepare to illuminate the night like never before. LED rock lights not only modernize your truck's appearance, but also make it a head-turner on the road. After all, a truck isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement. Today I'll unveil my top pick and guide you through the installation with my 12th Gen F150. Let's get to it. I opted for this particular LED brand because it offers the best of both worlds. Dual RGBW capabilities with authentic white LED functionality. Plus, its unique conical design maximizes lighting coverage like no other. First up, position the LED rock light pods on the liners of each wheel fender. When it comes to the metal rear wheel wells, don't forget to use self-drilling screws for a secure fit. Next, link up the waterproof cables from each LED pod to the custom junction box I crafted earlier. If you're curious about how I put together that junction box, don't worry, I've covered it in a previous video. Make sure to check it out. Now it's time to power up. Use the relay switch to feed electricity to the control box. Then, sync this auxiliary wire to your brake light signal. That way, every time you hit the brakes, your rock lights will also glow red, adding an extra layer of road safety. Now brace yourselves for the grand reveal. You won't believe your eyes. Got questions about the product? Drop a comment below. Let's join the LED rock light family. Until next time, stay illuminated.
I've been waiting for my moment, I've been everywhere. I'ma make a man. I just know that you should know this. I just met her in the club, but she acting like she's so shorty. This is your birthday. We gon' party like this is your birthday.